Hello everyone, this is Jo again. Welcome back to my channel, Somewhere in Kentucky. Today, we're going to do a bathroom clean, refresh, change the shower curtain, and maybe add a few Christmas decoration touches. I'm so glad you're here with me. Welcome to my family. For the last few weeks, the entire family has had a head cold. I still sound gravelly. We haven't felt up to doing any deep cleaning. I've wiped down, but that's about all. As you can see, I still have cold medicine in the bathroom. The towels that I put up to look pretty on the wall and match the shower curtain have had to be used for showers because I am behind in the laundry. So today we're going to do a deep clean. We're going to wipe everything down with some Spick and Span and some bleach. We're going to mop, change the shower curtain out, put new towels up, change the toilet roll holder, put away my boots, and maybe do a little bit of Christmas decorating. I've had it a little hard to decorate in here because, as you can see, I put up wallpaper. I love my wallpaper, but it's going to be hard to match something to. And here is where the laundry comes in. I pile everything on the back of that door before it goes down. You'd think I would put it away, but that's my little guilty pleasure. My husband likes doing them in the floor by his bed, and I like hanging them on the back of the door. So let's get started putting those in the hamper. We'll get that all ready to go down to the laundry room and get that laundry caught up, and then let's do some cleaning. I don't know about y'all's better halves, but mine has absolutely no idea how to put toilet paper onto a toilet paper holder. Now, I've shown him several times. He can't seem to remember. He has a blind spot about this. I think it's a convenient blind spot, but that's just my opinion. Now, I'm going to use Spick and Span to wipe this down. Spick and Span's not my favorite cleaner, but it was on sale at Ollie's, so we thought we'd give it a try. And at this point, I'm just trying to use it up so I can get back to Lysol and bleach, my two favorites. They're my go-tos. Lysol will wipe everything down, and then there's nothing like bleach to clean a bathroom with. Let me know in the comments below what y'all like to clean with. What are your favorite products? Maybe I can get some ideas. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am a wife and mother to a beautiful 9-year-old little girl. We live in the middle of Kentucky. In my husband, December of last year, my daughter, and my mother, was injured in a patient's room. I'm an ICU nurse. The injury was such that I was unable to work and actually haven't been able to walk properly since that time. I still have a limp, and you'll see that sometimes in the videos. Some days it's very pronounced, some days it isn't so bad, and I almost feel normal. But then I realized that that's because I'm compensating, and I've got very used to compensating with the injury. Anyway, I'm going to need a knee replacement. And until I can get a knee replacement, I'm not going to be able to do floor nursing for a while. At this point, I'm a stay-at-home mom. But the timing has actually not been very bad at all. My mother was diagnosed with breast cancer at the beginning of November, just about the time that they decided I needed a knee replacement. So I am able to be home to help take her to appointments and scheduled PET scans and port placements and chemotherapy treatments and follow-up shots. And I can be here to help her with her medication, and I can be here to help her stick to a diet and stay hydrated, which is a blessing. It is a wonderful blessing, and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. That's kind of where our family is right now. All right, the first half is done. No more laundry on the back of the door, all in the laundry basket. Towels are folded. The husband's things are organized and dusted. My things are organized and dusted. You can't write your name in anything anymore. Yay! The mirror is clean and fabulous. Okay, here comes the most dreaded part. Have to clean the toilet. Has to be done. I'm going to film from far back. and it's a difficult area to film in anyway, but when cleaning the toilet, that's probably an advantage. Nobody should have to see the inside of anyone else's toilet unless it's pristine. And this one isn't bad right now, but pristine it is not. However, it will be when I'm done. Let's get those rugs up, put those in the dirty clothes, and use some spray bleach to clean this floor. Okay, time to change the shower curtain. This is the shower curtain I originally bought when I redid the bathroom and put up the wallpaper. I love the colors. I love the shimmer in it. I think it is so pretty. But I hate changing shower curtains. I don't know how you feel about it, but by the time I'm done, my arms are absolutely aching. And if I'm not mistaken, by the end of this, you're going to see me drop them down and shake them out, trying to get the blood back to my fingertips. I don't have a lot of storage for towels. So one of the ideas I came up with when I redid the bathroom was to put the towel hangers up. And when I changed out the shower curtain, I would change out towels to match. That way it would look decorative and I would have a little more storage space. The towels that we use are on the shelf above my toiletries. We'd gotten so far behind on laundry, or I had gotten so far behind on laundry, that we had actually started using the decorative towels. Now here I'm trying to make sure that I get those back in place to make the bathroom look a little more finished. And here we go. Much better. Okay, y'all, it's all done. We're all clean. Now to add a few Christmas touches, like this lovely angel snowman. I love this piece. I don't know where we got her, but we're going to add her and a little tiny Christmas tree that I adore. It came pre-decorated. I've had this for years. I'm not even sure where we got it, but it has little golden French horns and trumpets on it. It has holly berries and tiny pine cones. You look how close. I love those. I'm not sure which way to turn this to make it look best. Let me turn it around, seeing which angle is the best one to use. But this is one of my favorite little trees. I've carried it place to place, and I thought maybe we would put a wreath on this wall. I couldn't find anything else that didn't clash with all of the birds. So I have this wreath that we found years ago in an antique store, and it has tiny musical scrolls on it and little ornaments and red boxes with gold ribbon around them. So one of the things I did was to take some ribbon that I found that has musical notes and poinsettias on it and wound it through the wreath to add a little more color, but it matched so well with the musical scrolls that are on there. I absolutely love it. So this is one of the wreaths that we've had for years and years, and I bring it out every year. I always put it somewhere different, but it's never been in a bathroom. Now it has, and I absolutely love it. Okay, that's going to be it for me for today. Thank you for spending time with me. If you get a chance, hit the subscribe button. Come visit us again. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for spending time with me. God bless you and have a lovely day.